Stoni Shingi Mariam orontirwe ni Gavana Kawira Mwangaza kuthongira kiri Mbundi cia municipality ya Meru na Maua tukio monde ni makinyete mbere ya bunge ya Meru nikenda kuungwa MAURI. Umwe wa KUTHUJA VERONICA KARIUKI na retete miario nyuma yawe kwithirwa ari umwe wa maria marungamirite DECI pyramid scheme iria yatunyire mukari wa Meru milioni 5. Unge uria worontetwe ni we CEO wa Meru Dairy Kenneth Gitonga na ari kurega kuyukia kanya kau kiumia kithiro Bishop KIOGORA Magambo onawe na kinyire mbere ya kamiti ino BARIA araina kagitaga kaumu gutariria niki atina maratathi ma KUTHERUA ninkiama ya EACC na nkinyagia KRA. Muthuri Murioki ataririe
Narua ndio kamite ya MBUNGE ni obangano mu matauni ekunga MAURI antu baria barorotete ingavana wa Meru kwithwa beke Mbundi ya Manicipaa ya Meru ala Bishop Magambo na kinya mwekuru wa Bishop Kanja GGV no KARIUKI bakijitene na county assembly ponekana bakuria BATONGERETIE ona mono kumenya miturire yao na naraba itangugi mwekuru wa Bishop KARIUKI no VERONICA KARIUKI agitonya karango negiki na kwambiru na biuria kumana mubangro edwareju tukumenya DECI arantu kathuma betho bagitambe chaciao mwambere akiambia agowati kumenya nigitiki kware akio kiri mbango juju.
And number 3, I was like, we were not like managers. There's a name that I'm trying to look for because whatever happened later was not anything good. You know, even from the beginning, because people came, and all those people who came from the beginning, they got their benefits. But then who came later are the ones who are defrauded by the company. But it is not really defrauded. And to put this in order,
ene nyume kungwa MAURI nkuruki auga ari mwerekeria
because she has stated clearly she was a manager. Manager oversees management, and the management is dealing with people or things.
Na kiruni mesinga na Meru batereke mbango juju awane nkuruki amungana milioni direka na 3.
Disclosing to this honorable committee how much was lost during that feast for Marians and those other stakeholders who had deposited their monies in that in the DECI where you are acting as a manager, because
between 2 and 3 million.
Between 2 and 3 million.
Yes.
Antonia no Bishop KIOGORA akiaria kagita kara uri rwandu barabenda iria kwenda kanisa we etho akiwa ketho na mubango yo mwega kyotigira ndu baba bakuthama thamwa na bachura ntu angi araba ketho bakenderia arakore into bionde bira bikwendekana.
I've seen we met most of them there for the last 10 years. Some have educated their children from what they get from selling around the road. We have engaged successive governments of Meru County to come up with a lasting solution to that situation. Those are very intentional businessmen and women who are selling along our church fence, and they don't have anywhere else to go. So I believe if I get this opportunity to be in the municipality board, we need to come up with a lasting solution to relocate them and to get them a site whereby they can do their business decently. Because we also share our facilities with them in the church. There is, of course, they are on the road reserve and they don't have washrooms or they don't have clean water, but they use what we have in the church. So that it is like a family to me, and I would like to be involved, finding a solution to give them a decent space to do their businesses to other people.
Nkuruki MC baba betho bakuria biuria kumana baruga ciawe irikonekana ni kuruki na kagita.
He has said in his answer which is written, yes, I have fully complied with tax obligations to the states up to the end of the financial year. Now, the end of the financial year was 30th June 2024. If you go to the documents provided as compliance for tax in this or whatever that he gave us, tax compliance certificate, it is valid for 12 months up to 8th of March 2024. Again, he has lied to this committee because we should have gotten an updated tax compliance certificate.
Thank you.
That one is not the only document that is expired, because first thing that you said is that this document should have been checked. And you go to all those other documents, Higher Education Laws Board. It is valid until March 8, 2024.
Indi amna babu magambo agicokia agwa kagita kana bane kana baruga iji igita karukini kagita indi agati umwe gutoa baruga ingi konania ari umene.
Documents of chapter 6 chair.
Yes.
Well, I'm in the process of renewing them. I was not around, so I know that we presented them when we were requested before, and some of them have expired. I will issue you with the current documents.
Kabiteje nandi yongite mauri baba kenda iketho ikarambi nikenda kuonekana kethreka betekeria kutonya ke municipal Mbundi ya Meru kana marito jaje ketho jakiteja nirwa muthuri Muriuki Oro TV mutiro jwa Kangangi.